You may have been top in your class in mathematics, physics, chemistry, or biology, but do you have the soft skills you need to go as far as possible in your career? Let's face it, once you get to middle management, it's quite often the soft skills you have that determine whether you continue to advance to become a senior executive or perhaps one day CEO. You need great soft skills if you are going to unlock the greatest potential of your career. At Media Training Worldwide, we help you with your soft skills, how to be a better public speaker, better communicator, better spokesperson during media interviews, how to listen more effectively, how to be a better facilitator, things that frankly are not taught in college or are poorly taught. We believe that so-called soft skills aren't really soft at all. They can be quantified, they can be measured. We will teach you how to test your speaking abilities, your PowerPoint slides, your presentations, your media interviews, how to test them so you know in advance what you're doing is effective. If you're ready to boost your soft skills, then let's get started.